Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Capitec card to Google Pay. Let's get started. First, ensure you have the Google Pay app installed on your device, whether you're using an Android phone or an iPhone, and that it is fully updated. Then, open the Google Pay app. The process is very similar on both platforms, but the initial navigation might look slightly different. You are looking for the section to manage your payment methods. On many devices, you can tap on your profile icon or picture in the top right corner. From the menu that appears, select Payment Methods or Wallet. Alternatively, you might find this option by looking for a button labeled Manage Accounts, or simply scrolling down on the main home screen until you see a payment section. Once you are on the screen that lists your current payment methods, tap the button to add a payment method or add a card. Now, you will be on the screen to enter your card details. This is where you add your Capitec debit or credit card. You have two options. You can enter all the information from your card manually using the keypad. Or, for convenience, you can choose Scan Card and use your device's camera to take a picture of your physical Capitec card. The app will automatically read and fill in the card number, expiration date, and sometimes the cardholder name. After entering your card details, you'll be asked to verify your personal information. Make sure that the name and billing address match exactly what you have on file with Capitec Mate. You can usually edit these details by tapping a pencil or edit icon, if anything needs to be corrected. Next, you will need to accept the terms and conditions, read through the provided information and privacy policy, then agree to continue. For security, Google Pay will verify your card. This is often done by sending a small, temporary verification charge to your Capitec account, or by sending a one-time code via SMS to the phone number linked to your bank account. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete this verification step. Once verified, you will get a confirmation screen, and your Capitec card will now appear in your list of payment methods in Google Pay. You can now use this card for contactless payments in stores, in apps, and on websites, by selecting Google Pay at checkout. Remember, for security, you should only add your own cards and ensure your device is protected with a screen lock, such as a PIN, pattern, password, or biometric lock, like a fingerprint or face recognition.